Okay, my tutorial is going to cover today how to use the C math library and how to raise floating point numbers to powers. Alright, so we don't have the little caret that I think a lot of us are used to in other programming languages with C++. So let me, I've minimized my screen here a little bit, kind of make the video a little faster here, but I have a couple of projects that I'm going to be working with. Let me open up a project, and I have one here, chapter 3, and I have my chapter 3 solution set here. By the way, I'm using Visual Studio 2010. Not much different than you working with the 2012 in my mind here. So let me get rid of this here. I need to remove, and then I'm going to add a new source file. You guys have all done this. And I will call this one example 1. Some of this is going to cut off your screen, but I think you'll get the idea of it here. Alright, so I'll make my editor just a little bigger here. We can see that, and I'll get rid of these other screens here. Real simple here. Here's my pound include. Oops, my idle stream. My using namespace. Try to make this just a little bigger for you here so you can see it on the video. Using namespace standard. Int main. Return 0. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to be able to input a number. I'll create a I used a double floating point, double precise, create a number called n. I'll ask for the user enter a number, we'll output here. And use cn to get some input. Say cn some number n, and then let's do a cout. I'll take n, and I'd like to just raise it to a power, say raise it to the second power. We've seen that notation before. That doesn't work, C++, but I can use that as a string literal to identify what we're doing. And let me cout, and then the function I use that is native to C++ actually comes from another library, but it's the power, POW. I'll take n, and then I'll raise it to the appropriate power, and here we're just going to raise it to the second power. I'll follow that up with an endl. Let's try and compile it. Here's my output. I'll say let's take 2, raise it to the second power, and it's 4. Okay. Typically I need the include file pound include cmath for any math functions like this. Power apparently doesn't need it with Visual C++. So let's do some more examples of this. I'm going to do use my copy and paste. Alright, so I copied that 8 times, I think. We'll do a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then getting kind of weary, so we'll stop there. Oops. And then of course I have to update my function to indicate the appropriate power. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. One little error that I've made here that your compiler won't stop you with, but these are supposed to all be floating point numbers. So really be accurate, I should be doing this. I should have a 4.0, 5.0, etc. Okay, so my control save, and I'll run this thing. My output screen over here, so I put in 2. All right, and now I can raise to the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th power, etc. Let me run it one more time. This time I'm going to use a different value, and it goes all the way up to 10,000, and at 1 million, and then 10 million and 100 million, it uses scientific notation.